Okay, when I think about us, I think about the good. But when I think about dollars, I think about you. You're a millionaire. You've been a millionaire all your life. So you never saw the poor. I mean, the whole world, right? Yeah, you've been a millionaire your life. You never saw the poor. I mean, the whole world, right? I mean, Tina Turner, she blew up, right? Yeah, Alfred and Simpson, she blew up, right? Madonna, she blew up, right? Um, um, yeah, Beverly, call her Beverly. Yeah, she blew up, right? Okay, so she don't look at me no more, right? So you been that way all your life? Maybe, I don't know. Answer the question. You been that way all your life? The minute you moved up, you forgot about us, and you labeled your children with it. Don't say anything. You don't look at us quite the same, right? I said don't say nothing. You already know. You forgot about me and you passed it down to your ancestors, right? Yes, yeah, you already know. Who's telling you, ma'am? Don Gaskov telling you, ma'am, that all the branches on the tree was broken the minute you had that first dollar, you went to war, and now you can't put the love together. Let's shine on God now. You already know. Let's shine on God.